Welcome back to Digital class, and now we're looking at level 4. Wow, this is even an advanced rate of change question. Here says that worker A and worker B takes 3 hours to complete a project. So now I have worker A. Let me just write up here first. I have worker A, I have worker B. These two takes 3 hours to complete one project. And worker B and C take 6 hours to complete the same project. So I have B plus C. This takes 6 hours to complete one project. And worker A and C, now I have another A plus C, takes 4 hours to complete the same project. How long does it take for all 3 workers to complete the same project? Means that now AB 3 hours, BC 6 hours, AC 4 hours. If A plus B plus C, how long will it take? Now, this is actually kind of interesting because it will involve kind of like many things. So now, but what we can actually try to first find out is that if 3 hours is needed for one project, means that in 1 hour, it actually can solve only about 1/3 of the project. Make sense? Now, this is again similar to what we have did on top, okay? If 6 hours is one project, it means that 1 hour is 1/6 of the project. If 1 hour means 1/4 of the project. Now, just like I mentioned that it's similar to something on top. Let me just show you. Did you still remember in the previous page, page 5, we have did something similar? Whereas we try to find out, 9 hours is 1 hour is 1 out of 9. 12 hours is 1/4, 1 hour is 1 out of 12. And since they are asking for together, now we are trying to add them together. Correct? That's what we did in the previous page. So you actually can do something similar. Now they are asking for what? All 3 workers, means that they want together. So you actually can say what? If it's together, what happened? In 1 hour, it will be 1/3 plus 1/6 plus 1 out of 4. And you will find out that 1 hour, if you press on calculator, is 3/4 of the project. Now, at this point of time, I just want you to pause for a while. Don't continue solving it. But some of you, that if you are actually kind of vigilant, you should notice something wrong here. Teacher, yeah, in the previous question, we add them together because they are one person, add them together is 2%. But in this case, 1 out of 3, this one, 1 out of 3, is actually from 2%. 1 out of 6 is actually from 2%. 1 out of 4 is actually from 2%. They are asking 3 workers here, but here now is this progress is actually 6 people. It's 6 workers here. Huh? Teacher, what do you mean? This 1 out of 3, or I should say this 1 out of 3 is from this 1 out of 3, right? But this is actually from how many percent? 2, A, B. This 1 out of 6 is actually from this 1 out of 6 is actually how many percent? 2%, B, C. B, C. This 1 out of 4 is actually from this 1 out of 4 is actually from how many percent? 2. A, C. So it means that this 3 out of 4 is actually from who? From who? From A, B, C, A, B, C. Eh? Teacher, this 3 out of 4 is from this 6%. But I want only A, B, C. But this is actually from A, B, C, A, B, C, right? Can I actually divide by 2? Yeah, you can. That basically means that this 3 out of 4 is from, is actually from this ABC, ABC. So as long as I divide by 2, as long as I divide by 2, 3 out of 2 of the project, it will be actually only for A plus B plus C. Oops, I should not divide. I divide by 2 is supposed to be 3 out of 8, sorry. That is a very careless mistake. 3 out of 4 divide by 2 is 3 out of 8. Okay? because it should be slower, right? Because I have lesser people. Now, from this moment, I know what? I know that if I need to have 1 hour, in 1 hour, A plus B plus C, when they work together, is only 3 out of 8 of the project completed. But now they are asking what? Again, the question is asking, how long does it take? Means that I want the time. If they work together, how long does it take to complete? Now, if you notice, right, 1 hour is 1 out of 3. If you go backwards, one project is 3 over 1. Means that I flip over. That's why it's the same thing. If I want the one project, then the time I need is actually 8 over 3. Means I flip over the time, which is what? 8 out of 3 hour. And 8 out of 3 hour means what? If I make it into what we call it as the mixed number, it will become 2 over 3, 2 over 3. So it means that I need 2 over 3 hours to complete the whole one project. Okay, and that's it. We are done for this question. So, is it slightly difficult for some of you? Probably actually the first fun part is supposed to be okay. But when you add them together, some of you might be a bit confused. Where, hey, teacher, oh yeah, there's 6 person. Now, what should we do to become only that 3%? Then that's what we do. Okay? Last part, for some of you might be a bit confusing because 1 hour complete 3 out of 8 of the project. Actually works is flip over is 8 out of 3 hours for one project. So yeah, a bit challenging, but I know you can solve it if you really work hard. And thank you. See you. Bye bye.